issue. She's got a little smoky going. Okay, so we are progressing right along with the A18 dealio. I didn't get footage of me painting the actual car, but this is what we went with. It was a Saragen effect for the 2020 GM colors. So I've gotten most of the car painted already, and it was actually supposed to be more of a blue. That was the swatch that I did without the clear coat, but come to find out, it's kind of an aqua. So that's fun. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking some of this kill mat, which is like sound deadening, which you would probably do the whole thing, but obviously the entire idea of this car is that it's weight conscious, right? So I'm just putting a little tiny little swatch right there, basically to stop it from having so much acoustics, right? So that all of the drum effect it would essentially have kind of helps to get drowned out by that one little rubber square. On the driver's side, I kind of cut that up and spaced it out a little bit more because I think it would work better. But yeah, now I'm on to installing this side. I just took the front fender off, and man, this thing is so cool. It's got like top A-frame, stock WRX, lower control arm. Then you got your battery right in the middle there, right? Also, when I take the front bumper off, we're gonna got a nice little brake duct channel right there, because you'll see there's absolutely nothing going on for these babies to get cool. And I mean, they are gigantic Willwoods, so just by virtue of them being so big, they won't have quite as much of an issue with cooling, especially considering they're gonna be slowing down like an 1,800-pound car. But yeah, why not have just a little because these things should be somewhat functional at least, and I think they're just going to nothing right now. So
to my fingernails.
You little boy. You little boy.
Dead to my fingernails. Dead to my fingernails. Dead to my fingernails.
You little boy.
Dead to my fingernails.